guys, it's Julie from Very Jewel Experience, and I'm going to show you how to make banana bread. Let's get to it. First, we cream the butter, and then we're going to add in some sugar. Remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, we add the 2 eggs and mix again. Next, we mash the bananas. Next, we add the bananas, the buttermilk, and the vanilla, and we mix, mix, mix. Next, we add the flour and the salt and baking soda.
I will be the best.
And mix it in until it's just combined. Next, we spray the loaf pans so the mixture doesn't stick. Next, we pour the mixture into the pans evenly. Oh, put them in the oven. Make sure you do it quickly. Open the oven all the way. Stick them in. Close it. Now we leave them for 1 hour to rise. To bake. It's been an hour, so I'm going to stick a knife in the loaf to check if it's ready. It's ready. It looks delicious.
Now we let it cool for 5 minutes.
For 5 minutes, so we're going to put it on a plate. Now, let's take a bite. It's really delicious. I like that it's like kind of crispy on the outside, like it's a really good texture, and the inside's really soft. And you can just pull it apart and look at the inside one. I gotta show you this. Look at that. Soft and airy, and it's so delicious. It's the perfect texture. Hey, that was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun making it, and it was super duper delicious. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. That means so much to me, and I'm super excited. Maybe we could do some live streams now and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm just really excited. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It's just really amazing. I appreciate that you subscribed to me, and it's really nice. So, yeah, thanks. That was the video. If you like that, please give it a like, and I would appreciate also subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.